Hey, so it's early spring. It's in the 40s right now, but I figured I'd get some gardening done. These are irises. This is what you have to do to prep them for the year. These irises are mixed with some primrose. That's okay. So you're just going to clean up the leaves that have gathered throughout the fall and winter. It's kind of easy to see the iris leaves that have died. They just kind of sprawl themselves out, and usually you can just pull them up. That's pretty much it. The iris rhizomes or corms like to be in the sun, so plant them high up. Sometimes you don't even have to plant them. You can just put them on top of the soil and they'll grow. Here we have another iris. Oh, so funny. These are all dead. Let's see if we can pick them all up at once. Yep. They're never going to be green again. It does look like an animal's been chewing on the new leaves because they should be pointy like this one. But the new leaves grow from the inside of each leaf. It's kind of interesting how that happens. Here's another one. Definitely some feasting going on right there. Another iris. The chewed up leaves won't really do anything to the plant. They'll just not look as sharp as they should, or maybe would otherwise. Last ones. If you have stems that are like this, you can just cut them off to the nice parts. Like this stem is like yellowing. I'm just gonna cut it right here. Looks much nicer, and nobody can tell that it's been cut. Especially if you cut it at an angle. If you cut it at an angle like that, it just mocks the tip of the iris leaf. If the leaf doesn't pull out, you can cut it all the way down. Here's another ugly leaf. Oops. See how the new leaf grows from between another leaf? Very interesting. See, there's the new leaf coming out of the folds of the older leaf. And that's all you have to do to take care of iris in spring. The irises are so beautiful. It's going to be so sad when they're done flowering. I just love the iris leaves. They just glow. And the flowers.